Welcome to Engineering Trends and Innovation. Hi guys, I am Alemami Louis Conte. I am a mechanical engineer with passion for engineering design, advanced manufacturing systems, and pushing the boundaries of innovation. I have spent over a decade leading STEM initiatives, collaborating across borders, and diving deep into technologies shaping our future. This platform is for curious minds. Whether you're a student, an engineer in the field, STEM enthusiast, or just someone who is curious about how things work, this channel is for you. We are here to break down the noise and give you access to engineering breakthroughs that are transforming industries around the world. This is not your regular STEM channel where we will be reading white papers or articles. I will be taking you on site into innovation labs, onto factory shop floors, and behind the scene of R&D departments across the world. You will see digital twins in action, AI-driven design processes, smart manufacturing systems, and how IoT is changing the way we live, build, and move. From precision with machining, lean production of robotics, biomechanics, and sustainable product development, we are covering the full spectrum. And through this channel, you will meet the engineers, makers, visionaries shaping the futures. We are not simply highlighting technology, we are showing you the processes and the people making it happen. Stick with us as we visit large engineering and technological corporations and startups pioneering microfabrication, multinational reinventing automation, and academic labs developing the next wave of engineering tools. Subscribe, like, and share with friends and family. This is Engineering Trend and Innovation, where ideas become machines and machines shape the world.